Uh, yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds, watch. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA, crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of neighbors.
Flip Your Worth TV, back at it again. New day, new vlog, same hustle. So right now, this is gonna be 24 hours, a day in the life with me. Typical day. Right now I'm in LA. As you see, I'm in the airport, getting ready to fly to Houston. I'm building a lap pool out there at one of my houses, so I gotta go there and meet the contractor. Kind of just go over some things. They're gonna frame it out, possibly pour the concrete and everything while I'm there. Got some other things I gotta do while I'm there, a little running around, and then I'm back on the flight, back to LA. And this is all gonna take place in 24 hours. So rock with me, roll with me. You're gonna see the process, see what I do in a day. And then, yeah, back to the crib. Stay tuned. All right, people, I'm in the car, as you see, on my way to the house right now. Like I said, it's a 24-hour turnaround, so I'm not really gonna be doing a lot of things here. When I say I'm not doing a lot of things, I'm not gonna over talk. I'm gonna get straight to it. I'm tired, but I'm driving to the house. I'm getting ready to meet the contractor there. I'm supposed to be meeting the concrete guy there at 7:30. Right now it is 7:17. Fresh off the plane. Just gotta keep it pushing. But yeah, they're gonna start digging the hole. Who knows, that could take a couple hours. Then they're gonna be framing. And my main purpose for being here today is to be here for the framing, because it's a framing of a pool that I'm building in the backyard. And I just need to make sure that the framing is right. There's certain pieces that need to go into the framing, like a pool skimmer and, plumbing, things like that. I need to make sure that that's set up properly. So that, once that concrete is poured, everything is good, it's set, and then I can do my thing from there. Because once it's set, and that concrete is fully cured and all the plumbing pieces are in place, then I can start having the equipment set up, get some electrical work done, and pretty much move forward with the rest of the project. So that's it for now. Like I said, I'm on my way to the house. Pulling up in a second, I'll show it to you and kind of show you what's going on. On that note, stay tuned. So I flew out here because I'm building a pool at one of my houses here in Houston. It's a lap pool to be specific. If you don't know what that is, you can Google it. But it's a long, narrow pool, mainly for doing laps back and forth, but also for like modern houses. You'll see them if space is an issue. So this whole area right here is gonna have a pool. It's gonna be 8 feet wide, 20 feet long. So starting from down there. Got an excavator here. They're gonna dig all the way down with the machine. All of this is gonna go a couple feet down. We have a pool here. It's gonna be nice. Alright, so I'm back on the road. Just left over there. They're still digging the hole. They're about 60% done with that part. Then they're gonna start framing the walls, framing the flooring, so that they can have the concrete truck come in a couple of hours and pour the slab. Now, how I'm doing this pool is a little different from like the normal type of setup. I'm doing it like my own way. Doing it a way that, I've seen people do it with cinder blocks. Me, I didn't feel like doing it with the cinder block. I just wanted to do it with solid concrete, almost like retaining walls. I feel like it's better stability. It'll probably just last longer because like I got a fence that's done with cinder blocks, and over time, that fence starts to wear down. So let's just do it the right way the first time. Do solid concrete walls, and just less to worry about later on. So yeah, I just have to go run to the store. I just picked up a skimmer. So I got to get the skimmer in there so that they can do the proper filtering and all that good stuff. Right now, I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm not really fully paying attention, to be honest. But going to Home Depot, I gotta buy a 1 inch and a half pipe for the return jet on the pool, and then I can get that to them so that they can frame and do the rebar around it. So when they pour that concrete, it'll be solid in the wall. But yeah, let me focus, and I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. All right.
Cinco y media, aquí nos esperamos.
Framing all done. My job is done. Concrete on the way. Now I'm heading back to the airport. like consistency. Came in on 4A, go back on 4A.